Canon's proprietary software or you're using Photoshop Elements, what it does is it moves the files over via a date into your My Pictures area. And then once you open the organizer, you can tag the pictures and sort them that way. But with XP, you set up the subfolders here. Now, if you're happy with this, you may want to clean off your card so that you start with a new clean card. If you like to show your pictures on your camera, you don't want to click this. But if you want to start with a clean card, click this. Delete them from my card after the copy is finished, and you just click next, and then the transfer happens. So usually you see a bunch of little thumbnails go by, and depending on how many pictures there are in the card, it may take 30 seconds or it may take 10 minutes, depending on how many pictures and the file format. And with XP, when you're finally done, it says where do you want to go next, and you probably want to do some photo editing, and you probably want to say nothing. You want to go straight to your My Pictures folder and start editing them. So really quickly, let's talk some basic photo editing fixes. For Web Seller Circles members that are here, do remember that we have intensive, in-depth tutorials on how to use Photoshop Elements. So if you enjoy taking pictures, the thing that is your next step is learning about photo editing software. So either take a class at your local community college. If you're a Web Seller Circle member, go ahead and take the online courses, or find an online course and take some tutorials and learn more about photo editing software, because you will really enjoy playing with it. But this is a real quick overview of some of the things that you can do in photo editing, some simple things you can do in photo editing software. Removing red eye, rotating, darkening and lightening. With XP, there is a small photo editor that comes with it. So if you double click from inside of your pictures area, you get this editor that pops up. And if your picture is vertical instead of horizontal, and you want it to be horizontal, you would go up to Image, Rotate, and then decide which way you want to rotate it. Now don't be like me, and if you rotate it the wrong way, just say, oh, I'll just come in here and try doing it the opposite way, because it doesn't work that way. If you rotate it the wrong way, just hit undo and come back and rotate it the other way. Don't try get yourself into an endless loop. If you want to crop the image, probably you want to crop to move in closer. With the Microsoft Photo Editor, you would click on this little dashed icon, then draw a square or rectangle around the area you want to keep. Now do know that these are handles, so if you don't draw the perfect rectangle, you can move these in and out until you find the area, or the area is just perfect that you want to keep. And then once you have that done, you can go back up to Image and click on Crop, and it will crop to that area. Now there's a lighten and darken. Lots of times especially in those extreme light, snow, extreme dark situations, your camera may not